Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard, your social magazine app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Flipboard and we click here. In this page of app, on 4 you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You search about Flipboard. If you find updates, then we'll update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.